Starbucks chai tea latte at home. Starbucks chai tea latte is made up of 2% milk, water, and chai tea, and also includes black tea, cardamom, black pepper, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, and vanilla. The recipe is so good and can easily try it out at home. It is a perfect combination to make the day positive and bright and to enjoy the beverage. Starbucks chai tea latte is spicy and it needs some ingredients that are chai tea bags, boiling water, sweet, ginger powder, cinnamon powder, cup of whole milk. The recipe started by placing tea bags in a cup and it could be 2 tea bags to put better flavor. To the Starbucks chai tea latte, trying making it home. This recipe gives the same delicious taste in the comfort of home. After that, add water to the cup and the beverage will fulfill the cravings that will let feel good. And the sweet in the cup to make it sweet in taste and cover the cup. For 5 minutes, take the milk in another cup and add ginger powder and cinnamon powder. Powder it that could be 1 spoon. Steam the milk at the desired temperature and add it to the mixture of tea bags that were made before. To make the frothy milk, shake the jar could be a simple method for use blender if available. It will be a strong taste and it will be an enjoyable drink. It will be a drink for morning, noon or night, it does not matter. And it gives a sensational taste to the tea. Basically, a chai latte is made of black tea, spices, and milk. And originated in India, where it is called masala chai, the addition of frothy milk creates a flavor that makes the tea delicious. It is a popular drink on cold days and gives a cozy effect. The fun fact is that chai means tea, so when someone says chai tea latte, that means they say tea latte. Starbucks chai tea latte contains 240 calories. If a person needs more caffeine, it could be added a shot of espresso to the drink. For the vanilla flavor, vanilla syrup can be added to the drink. Tea latte can also be transformed into a frappuccino by adding whipped cream and sugar.